Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Sui. Wanted to do a full video here on the current situation. The current situation is quite interesting and there's some, well at least I'll be buying Sui quite soon I think, unless the market just completely dies down here. In terms of movements that will stay completely flat. But no, wanted to do a full update on current situation, what the possibilities are, what the different scenarios are, where some interesting levels are for Sui as well. So that's what we're going to do. I need to update this key level a little bit, so give me a moment. But Sui itself, over the course of the last week, or well, we should say over the course of the last weeks, has been very bearish, of course, right? That's currently the structure, and we've spoken about this for some time already, and we talked about this as well when the price was higher. That it was most likely that Sui would see some more bearish momentum, and I think overall, if you watch these videos, you would have been pretty well prepared for all the moves that we had. In the end, I mean, we already talked about a potential breakdown right here in February of 2.95, and that would most likely cause a drop of at least into 2.2. But all right, so the situation for Sui right now technically is that we are in a downtrend. But that we are looking for a strong enough support to start some sort of a consolidation, or potentially from that consolidation to start another uptrend. And that's also the main thing we're looking for right now. Now I have to say, especially on the higher time frames, I think getting into an uptrend is going to be very difficult. I mean, on the daily time frame, we would need to break above 2.95 to get into an uptrend, and at this point of time, I see no strength in the market to do that. I see no fundamental reason for Sui specifically to do that. I mean, all the fundamentals or all the metrics for Sui are still in a downtrend, as you can see, TVL, DEX trading volumes. But I would assume that daily active addresses, daily transactions can be manipulated quite a bit. But market cap of the tokens on Sui in a downtrend as well. So from the fundamentals or from the market strength here, Sui does not have to get it. However, if we zoom in here, we actually can see that we're getting early signs of a consolidation. And that's interesting, right? Because we are in a massive support level, and I've told you before, I think this support level right here, especially between 1.75 and 2.2, I know it's a very big level, but that's the level, as you can see. I think that is the bottom. Now, the question is well, have we already reached the bottom by dropping down into $2, or will we drop down lower? And I think that it remains to be seen. That's just very reliant on the markets, but that's also where my two buys come in. All right, so the main local resistance we have is 2.4. The two times I will buy Sui, dependent on market circumstances. I mean, it's not clear yet. I do have some orders down here, which are clear. I will definitely buy from there, regardless of the market circumstances, unless an atomic bomb falls down. But this level right here, 1.8, 1.75, is for me my first buy area. It looks slightly more likely, especially if we get a bullish stock market opening today, and that we have actually found a local support right here at 2.1 and $2, and that we can potentially, by breaking above 2.4, get into some sort of a short-term uptrend into high time frame resistance levels right here at 2.6, 2.65, 2.75. So a different scenario for me, but that is dependent on other market circumstances, is to buy after 2.4 breaks, and we have a low time frame range break. And ultimately, like I said, given what I expect from the markets, I would say it is a little bit more likely to stay in this consolidation for now, but to sooner rather than later get that break of the local consolidation, and to get some bullish momentum. Now, I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, I'd say that is my prediction, and that is the most likely scenario here. While Sui is still in this range, I don't think you should trade it at all. That's not financial advice, of course. Sorry, my thoughts, but that's maybe you value those. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.